Polygon co-founder rebuting allegations of involvement in a Matic crash. But why could Matic still crash, even despite the fact that Sandeep Nawal could be accurate, and I think he is here? We still could have some downside risk here in the short term for Polygon Matic, but I'm not scared. I like Polygon still. I like what they stand for. There's a lot of great things they're doing in the background. They've bridged the gap from Web 2 to Web 3, I think better than anybody in this bear market. So let's talk about this first, and then we're going to jump into the charts, all right? Make sure you guys smash the like button, though, before we jump in. This is a jam-packed video, a lot to get to here in this one, so make sure you stick around until the end. But yes, smash that like button for us. I know you guys love this content. Let me know that you do. And as we roll along, drop a comment down there as well. But Sandeep Nawal, co-founder of Polygon, has come at Look On Chain. Look On Chain asserted that they, meaning Polygon and Nawal's team, basically dumped some Matic over on Binance to the tune of $3.35 million worth. And this created some FUD, some fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the community. Earlier today, though, Nawal took to X to dismiss Look On Chain's report, asserting the findings were incorrect. And he said one more time, incorrect labeling by Look On Chain. This is the second time this has happened. Please be careful about these tweets. And on September 7th, Look On Chain shared a Twitter thread posing an alarming question. Is Polygon selling Matic? The thread shared that an address identified as Polygon Foundation OX8D36 had been involved in a transfer of $6 million. However, Mark Boren said, "You have incorrectly labeled this wallet. It's not a Polygon Foundation wallet." Subsequently, Nawal, Sandeep also pointed out the faulty findings on Look On Chain in an attempt to assure the community. Look On Chain responded by pointing out that the wallet addresses had been labeled by fellow on-chain crypto analytics tool Nansen, and that's what they were basing their report on. Why might there still be some downside risk here with Matic? We are looking at the 1 month time frame, guys, and this is why I love to look at the 1 month time frame, because you really get to zoom out and see where things are and really see things for what they are. This is going back to January 2021. Back here, Matic was around 19 cents. I was loving it back in these days. We were looking at Matic and talking about it very, very early days in February. And we absolutely love where this thing was heading in last year's bull run, or 2 years ago, the bull run 2 years ago. And we did really good on Matic, right? And we could see here that we've come down quite significantly from the top here at $2.66. We actually came down. Our bottom was back in June of 2022. That's when the overall market bottomed out. Now, we actually wicked down to about 34 cents briefly. We closed that monthly candle at about 65 cents. But coming back down here to about 45 cents would not be out of the realm of possibilities, especially when you consider this, guys. Polygon has been sliding since March, okay? And again, it's good to look at this from the monthly time frame. Since March, we have been sliding down. Look, here's March, April, May, June, July, August, and now September. Don't be surprised if we come on down here below 50 cents. Now, we can go in on the weekly here as well. Now, recently we got the momentum down. This is back in June. Okay, we're waiting for that next momentum up signal. This is a good place here. See this wick down to 40 cents back in June? This is the weekly time frame. I am looking to come down here and retest this. And if we do, I'm looking to accumulate, both for the long-term and a short-term play. Go down here and touch in the mid-30s, maybe even high 30s, and start to reverse. We could be seeing a nice little push, let's just say from 40 cents back up here to $1.29. That would be a huge move of about 230%. So Matic, I think, offers tremendous opportunity right now, and I can't wait until Matic continues to slide a little bit, and we're going to be making some moves and making some gains. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. This video, not financial advice, just a talking head on YouTube trying to make some dollar bills. Hopefully you are too. Let me know down below. We'll see you. Bye.